everybody, what we got going on today is we're going to be cooking some chicken souvlaki with a fresh tzatziki sauce. It's going to be great. I know it's a little bit of a process. There's a lot of ingredients and a lot of things to do. We're going to marinate it. We're going to throw it up on the grill, get everything ready. I'm sure it's going to be great. You're going to love it. right, that turned out actually pretty good. I know it was a long process, the marinating, all the cutting of the vegetables, but nothing beats fresh vegetables when you're making your own stuff. The souvlaki, so good. It turned out really good. I enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed watching everything. If you like what you see, hit that like and subscribe button. I don't want you to miss any of my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and enjoy.